Okay, so I just want to do a quick startup video so everybody can see exactly what my problem is with startup with the DOF. Starting from scratch, boot the PC. Next step, open up my INI file. It's COM port 14. Open device manager. Check my ports, COM port 14. I'll unplug it to make sure. COM port 14 disappears. COM port 14 comes back and it matches the INI file. Next step, open up SMC3. And this is typically what happens. I get no lines. And that's the message I typically get. At this point, it becomes removing the USB ports, plugging them in and out, changing a port, rebooting the computer, until at some point, the SMC3 will actually show the 3 lines, and I will try to get to that next. Okay, so I rebooted the computer, pulled the USB in and out, changed it to a different port. I did go over here and change it to port 16, so it matches port 16 on the device manager. Now we'll open up SMC3 again. And again, no comms, abort. So this is literally the process until I can get 3 lines to come up in SMC3. Once that eventually happens, just randomly, then I have to press the sign button right there, make sure it's moving, then press the UDP pass-through. Then we go back and open up Simulation Studio and hope for the green light. But until we get the SMC3 to work, SRS is not even in the equation yet. So my next step is usually to open up the balance software. I will then unplug, plug back in. We have that. Usually, once I can get this to work, which as you can see is working. Typically next I'll be able to get SMC3 to open up correctly. Okay, now we're going to open up SMC3. And again, still no comms. Now everyone can understand my frustration of dealing with this literally for almost 2 years now. So if anybody can throw some ideas my way, I have replaced a brand new USB cable from the box directly to the PC. Motherboard on the PC has been changed. Power is running directly to the wall from the DOF box. And I literally do not know what to change now. So anyone can help, I'd appreciate it. Okay, here's another example. The rig is now communicating. I can press sign. Moves like it should. I'm gonna go back and select UDP pass-through. Open up SRS. And we have red motion box. Go to setup, scroll down, you cannot select start test. Close it out. Come over and check again if the rig will move. It is moving, so communication is working correctly. Select pass through again, reopen SRS. Red, go to setup, still cannot select start test. So Any ideas or thoughts would be appreciated.